Assalamu alaikum students. It is class 4 and we are going to have our English lesson which is unit number 1, the accident. You can open your books and we will do some question and answers. Question number 1 is, what is this bottle for? It is for milk. Question number 2, what is this bottle for? Answer, it is for ink. Question number 3, what is this tin for? Answer, it is for sugar. Question number 4, what is this box for? It is for chalk. What is a key for? It is for opening doors. What is a knife for? It is for cutting things. What is a hammer for? It is for hitting things. What is a ruler for? It is for measuring and drawing lines. Students, all these questions are in your book. You will note down all the questions and their answers in your copies. Exercise 7 is finish the sentences. The policeman was on duty. The boy was on bicycle. He was in a hurry. His lesson was at 8:30. He was late. The policeman's hand was up. He did not see. A car was on road. A woman was on the pavement. She shouted to the boy, but he did not hear her. In the second picture, the boy was not on bicycle. He was on the ground. The bicycle was on the ground too. It was on its side. The door of the car was open. The driver was not in the car. He was in the street. He was looking at the boy. The woman was not on the pavement. She was in the street too. She was speaking to the boy. The policeman was in the shop. He was on the telephone. Students, you will do this exercise in your copies. There is a revision exercise on page 6 in your book. Change the sentences using told. I'm going to give you an example. For example, sit down, Jamil, said Miss Nas. You will change this sentence using told. Miss Nas told Jamil to sit down. You will use to sit as an infinitive. Likewise, there is a negative sentence. Don't go to sleep, Uzma, said Mrs. Amin. Mrs. Amin told Uzma not to go to sleep. Likewise, you will change all the sentences and write down in your copies. Take pictures of all the given work and send them back to me so that I can check it. Thank you.